Hey everybody, in this video we have a Toyota door lock from either a Corolla or a Camry, and we're going to use a Toy43 Lishi here to pick and decode it. And I've already made a key to this quite a while ago here, so after I decode it I'll show you the key. Now these Toyotas, they have a split wafer, so you kind of got to pay attention here because the wafers are close together in groups of two, but not too bad though with a little bit of practice. Let's see if we can zoom in here. Alright, so first thing we'll do is figure out what's going on with what here. So there's nothing on 3 going down, 4. Alright, so it looks like we're going to have even numbers going down, so odd numbers are going to be going up. And so we're going to, of course, apply some tension here. And we'll just start with the even numbers since we're on this lifter. So nothing on 4 or 6. Okay, 8's binding. Click on 8. And nothing on 10. So back to 4, still nothing, still nothing. 8's okay, 10, nothing. Okay, so now we'll go odd numbers going up. Okay, 3 is binding. Nice, click on 3. 5 is binding. Nice, click on 5, and we did get some rotation there. Okay, 7. Okay, it's binding, feels spongy, so we'll leave that alone. Remember, you don't have to force anything. You can always just go back to it if it doesn't do anything. And I did get a click on 9. Okay, so back to 3. 3 still nothing. 5's all right. 7 we'll leave alone. 9, okay. So now let's check back on the bottom here. So now 4 is binding. Click on 4. 6 is binding. Click on 6. Okay, 8 springy, leave it alone. 10 is binding. Click on 10. Okay, 4 is good. 6 good. 8 still springy. Okay, so let's check odd numbers again here. Okay, 5 feels like it's binding, but it's not picking, so we're not going to fight it. 7. Try backing off tension a little bit on 7 here. Not anything on 7, so I'm going to click on 9. Alright, so now we're kind of stuck here at the moment, so go back through and just look for something else that's binding, and looks like 6 is. Another click on 6. 8's alright. Okay, 10's binding again. And now we're open. Okay. So you just want to just keep on going. If you don't think you've overset anything, you just keep going back looking for binders. Oops. Now that we're picked here, we should be able to actually decode it. And so we'll start with number 3, which is going up. And that's going to be a 1. 4 going down is a 1. 5 going up is going to be a 3. 6 going down is a 2. 7 going up is a 4. That's why we couldn't pick it. I kind of felt that a little bit. Enough practice, you'll feel the difference between when it's kind of spongy but not quite springy, but also not quite binding. It just takes a little bit of practice. Okay, then we have 8 going down, which is going to be a 3. 9, we have a 2. 10, we have a 2. So we got 1, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 2. And then, so that's a Toyota door lock here, picked and decoded with the Toy43AT Lishi. And questions, comments, put them in the comments, and check out the Lishi playlist, which you'll see a link to on the screen here. And that's all we got for this one, guys. Well, I'll talk to everybody later.